DPS again OC. Everyone stay north, everyone stay north, everyone stay north. Start recording. Stay north, everyone stay north, everyone shallow, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me now, shallow on me now, shallow on me now. Kill this thing, kill this thing. Everyone kite north, everyone kite north. Didn't hold them, everyone kite north. Drop your bed rocks, everyone kite north. Take the royal jackets, everyone take royal jackets, everyone take royal jackets, boy. DPS, don't forget to take royal jackets, okay? Tofu, what's going on in the front? Are we good?
Deploying back.
Hey, everyone look shallow, everyone look shallow. Get ready, shallow again. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me now, shallow on me now, shallow on me now, shallow on me now. And kite now, kite now, kite now, kite now. Didn't solve, didn't solve. Didn't solve, good job, good job. Yo, give me a local for when we going back, bro. Didn't solve, didn't solve, didn't solve, didn't solve, didn't solve.
Looking.
Didn't solve. Heal the front, heal the front, heal the front, heal the front. Sam, what the fuck, bro? Why are you there, Sam? Invite a listening party. Everyone look shallow, everyone look shallow. Tell me cooldowns, everyone look shallow, look shallow, look shallow. Get ready,
Next time
shallow.
go east, do not go north shadow. You're gonna lose sight. Next time go east.
Everyone look shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this guy on me, kill this guy on me. Finish this guy on me, finish him. Good job. Everyone kite north, everyone kite north. DPS come back north. After hitting you go north, DPS front to back, boys. Okay? Don't be like Sam. Sam, you're in bad position, bro.
You should go east, not north.
Why? It's fine, it's fine. We're gonna circle around. I don't want to go east because if other force selling zone in, it will be so fucked up, you know. We can kite, we can like run
Bang,
easily.
go back, bang.
Everyone look shallow, everyone look shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me now, shallow on me now, shallow on me now.
You're gonna have us.
And kite back. Didn't hold them. Demon front line, get ready. Your demon front line, demon front, heal front. Everyone push in, everyone walk in, my boys. Everyone walk in. Didn't hold them, didn't CC them. DPS get cooldown fast. DPS get CD fast. Everyone look DPS, get ready. Night helmet now. Everyone DPS, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. DPS to the choke. And spread now. Go back and spread. Didn't hold them. Just decoy inside. Bonk him away. Be ready to pop Giga. You be ready to pop Giga and spread. Everyone spread here. Don't go back now. Spread here. Be ready to pop Giga. Yo, Giga now. Demon. Everyone look for me. 5, 4, 3, best, 2, 1. Hit the best now. Give me everything, my boys. Good job. Spread here. Brawl with them here. Everyone push in, my boys. Push in. Didn't hold them. Didn't sit on their DPS. Okay, everyone come back. Regroup with me. Regroup with the crown. DPS behind the crown. Look shallow, everyone shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. And spread. They're gonna engage now. Didn't sniper on this choke and everyone kite northwest. They're engaging. Heal front. Heal my spike. Everyone get CD. Tell me your cooldown. Walk back, Spirit Hunter. Keep walking back. Don't take rolls again in front of the enemy.
Ready.
Where's my friend? Okay. Look inside. Go north now. Keep going north.
Need to reefer.
Look on the west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Good job. No, kite north. Keep walking north. Didn't hold them. You heal my spike. Don't let my spike die. Keep walking north. Be ready, Zico looking. They're looking now. You defend now. Heal me.
Ready.
Everyone look for the crown. We're gonna go on the west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the healer on the west. Hit the healer on the west, boys. Fuck it, we missed it. Everyone keep fighting northwest now. We go through the bridge. Northwest. Everyone take the occult northwest. Didn't hold the enemy. Look up for mindset. They're looking to engage. Everyone spread now. Didn't hold them. Giga be ready. You're good, Gia. Keep going back. Go through this bridge. You're be ready to heal the front line. Heal shallow. Everyone look on this bridge. We're gonna head, but in the bridge shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the bridge now. Kill Zeke. Bro, almost. Brawl this clerical. Good job. Now, kite back. Didn't hold this choke. Everyone come west now. West. Kite west. My boys, kite west. Dream you die, you get fast. Bro, what the fuck, bro? They're fighting good. Everyone look shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow and defend. Full defensive. Full defense. Kite back, my boys. Kite back, southwest, my boys. Southwest. Kite southwest, my boys. Kite southwest.
Come here, Bobby.
Hill Pavi shallow.
Give.
Keep kiting back. Why you fucking hanging in the kite back? Hello. Only 3 tanks need to see. You guys don't need to see, okay? Only 3 tanks and supports can win the front. Heal us care, okay? We lost already Burman Hill already. No, we didn't lose Burman Hill. Everyone look shallow. Bobby fake for me. Your defense first. Everyone headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt on me now. Kite back. Did I lose DPS? No, I have all the DPS. Everyone come back. We're gonna kill this. Bobby, heal Bobby. You're heal blind. We're gonna kill this tank first, okay? Everyone come back. Everyone kite back. Look where the crown is.
Just keep getting.
My boys, look for the crown. Okay. DPS ready. I'm gonna fake. This is gonna be fake. This is fake.
He's gonna headbutt.
This is fake. Everyone be ready now. Defend now. Giga up. Everyone get ready at the other headbutt. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit shallow on me. It's everything. Need more damage. What the fuck? So heal. Kite back. Everyone kite back. Heal Pavi. Too bad, my bad. Yo, heal shallow. Don't let my tanks die. Heal shallow. Everyone keep cutting back. DPS should keep cutting back when enemy pushing.
There's a good choke southeast, Shadow.
Okay. Okay, we go southeast. Okay, head south. Look inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill Lilbo. Kill this gun. DPS. What the fuck?
Caller is looking.
Kite back. You guys kite back, my boys. Yo, heal to me. Everyone come back. Go to this bridge. Go through this bridge. Yes, we go through this bridge. Everyone go through. Help my people in the front. Cleanse the front line. Go those people. Cleanse the front line. We can solve this show. Heal my tanks. Blank, you're gonna die. If you have HP, you come back. Blank, heal solo. Blank, come back. Blank, come back. Everyone look shallow on this bridge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this bit now. Everything, my boys. Everything. Bro, not enough. Good. Oh, they're fighting really nice. Come back. Heal everyone. Shubham dead. Heal everyone. We can still fight, no?
Regear come back, right?
Yeah, Regear come back. The fight will be longer. Heal Pavi. Don't let Pavi die. Tell me cool down, DPS.
Ready.
Everyone look shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow this bridge. Hit this bridge. Blank that. Pavi that. Okay, we call GG. Mount up, everyone mount up.